What is up, guys? Today I will show you the settings of the Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4 here. Actually, it's very similar to all others. First, you download Xiaomi Home app, connect your scooter, then you will have all this indicator. Basically, there are not much settings available. So first you see the kilometers estimated remain mileage here, the current mode, so you can change it using the button here, and it will change here. Current battery in percentage available as well, so here you have an indicator. Also for current ride you can see the information, and for in total, so in total mileage here, and recent ride recording will be displayed. Also you can lock and unlock your scooter using the app. And the third settings is tailing light always on, so you turn it on and this light will be always on here, so you don't need to worry about it. Also energy recovery, so low, medium and high can be selected. So basically that are all the settings available for Xiaomi Electric Scooter 4.